Hello everyone, my name is Arsene Margarian, and I am glad to present to you the second part of my tutorial, dedicated to Houdini Vellum, which is a logical continuation of the first part, so I strongly recommend watching it only after viewing the first volume. Well, now I want to briefly describe the content of this lesson. So, throughout this tutorial we will take a detailed look at the vellum hair constraint, attached to geometry, stitch points, glue, weld, and finally the shape match constraint. Since the base of this tutorial is the official documentation, we will study all the properties with respect to these constraints without any exception, similar to the documentation, and we will consider all this on specific examples, as I already did in the first volume. I will also teach you many ways to manipulate these constraints using simple vex expressions. In fact, these two volumes contain a huge amount of material regarding Houdini Vellum, which I hope will come in handy in your future projects.